Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, welcome back to Mastering It with Mr. Ridwan. And in this moment, we are going to enter multiple clause sentence with multiple clause. If you don't know clause, guys, you can try to find out on internet or English book grammar. Of course, this is very accessed in the book of grammar clauses. Okay, many sentences in English have more than one clause. Yeah, clause is we can try to find out. Yeah, two clauses. If there are two clauses, so that we need connector. If there are two sentences too, we need connector too. Okay, if you want to know more detail about clauses, you can try to find out on internet or English book grammar. So many explanation of clauses. Well, way back to topic skill 6. Use coordinate connectors correctly. Okay, use coordinate connector correctly. When you have two clauses in English sentence, you must connect the two clauses correctly. One way to connect two clauses is to use and, but, or, so, or, yet. So we have to memorize this one. Okay, only one, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, only 5. So memorize it. Well, this one, yeah. For example, Tom subject is singing is the verb. We want to connect this is class, this is class. Okay, if we connect both of them, it will be sentence. How can we know it's sentence? There is dots here. This is dots here. Okay, Tom is singing, Paul is dancing. So we want to connect this clause to be this clause, so that we have to put and we have to put comma here. Okay, for example, again, Tom is tall but Paul is short. You have to pay attention to the first skill, subject, verb, after connector, coordinate connector, subject, verb, like that too. Okay, and you have to put here comma before coordinate connector. Okay, for example, Tom must write the letter or Paul will do it. Subject, verb, and there is comma. Okay, subject, verb, comma, coordinate connector, subject, verb, comma, coordinate connector, subject, verb. Okay, for example, again, what is your answer? This is subject, a power failure. This is verb, cure. This is subject, the lamps went out is a verb, so that we need coordinate connector here. Then is no coordinate connector, later is not coordinate connector, this one is not too, so that the answer is B. You have to memorize, yeah, memorize this one, and, but, or, so, or, yet. Okay, coordinate connector, this is a completion, yeah, and, but, or, so, yet. We put all of this in the sentence in the middle, only in the middle. We can't put here, only we put in the middle of one clause and one clause. Okay, and there is comma before the coordinate connector, subject, verb. Okay, we do exercise again. Take your book, take your pen. Correct, number 1 is correct. How could you be number 1 is correct? For example, look at this. The software is the subject, should be used is verb. Okay, there's comma. Okay, and is coordinate connector. Totally right. Subject verb. Number 2. Why number 2 is incorrect? The ring cook. Okay, this one is a subject. This one is a verb. This one, okay, comma. Okay, there is coordinate connector, but directly verb, there is no subject. That's why number 2 is wrong. Okay, continue. Next. Number 3. They, okay, subject. Our trying is verb, subject, verb, comma, but there is no coordinate connector. It means that number 3 is incorrect. Number 4. So the quality, I totally wrong because they put so here. Okay, we can't put coordinate connector behind. We have to put in the middle. Okay, this means that totally number 4 is incorrect. Number 5. Okay, subject, verb. Okay, there's comma, there is or coordinate connector, subject, verb. Is mean that number 5 is correct. Number 9. You, okay, subject, verb until here. There's comma, there's coordinate connector, there's verb, but there is no subject after coordinate connector. It means that number 6 is incorrect. Number 7. The pawn, okay, subject, verb, okay, comma, so is a coordinate connector, subject, verb, okay, complete. It means that number 7 is correct. The missing wallet, subject, okay, verb, okay, comma, okay, there is coordinate connector, subject, verb, okay, it's totally correct. Number 9, totally incorrect because there is or here. Okay, we can't put coordinate connector in front of. Okay, so that's number 9 is incorrect. Number 10, the semester or subject, verb, comma. Oh my god, there is no coordinate connector, only subject, verb. Is mean that number 10 is incorrect. Okay, I hope you can understand the skill 6 of TOEFL structures. Okay, please learn in your home. Learn first what is clauses. Okay, it's so easy if you take your time to learn. Don't waste your time. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you.